When I search on Fiverr visual identity design, then let's see what the services are there. Uh, we need to filter for best results, so that we click on service option, paid video consultation, and click on it. Let's check what are service there. That service was Sam, very great designer. Niels, also good. Oh, let's check. It's my kick. It was ranking. Oh shit. That's great. That's great. Email marketing is the best ranking factor. She is Nancy, great designer. She OBC, great, top on Fiverr. Oh, it is nice. I'm ranked from to top of him. Obi, Nancy, that's great. Thanks for watching.